8 steps to detailing the interior of your car. Follow these 8 steps to achieve a showroom-worthy interior.
Step 1. Declutter and remove trash. Start by removing all items from the car and dispose all trash. Step 2. Vacuum thoroughly. Vacuum every surface, including carpets, upholstery, and crevices. Step 3. Spot clean stains. Treat any stubborn stains with an appropriate cleaner and a soft brush. Step 4. Clean surfaces. Wipe down all surfaces with cleaner. Pay special attention to high-touch areas like the steering wheel and door handles. Step 5. Clean windows and mirrors. Use a glass cleaner and microfiber cloth to clean windows and mirrors for a streak-free shine. Step 6. Condition leather. If applicable, apply a leather cleaner and conditioner to keep leather surfaces supple and prevent cracking. Step 7. Protect and shine. Apply an interior protectant or dressing to surfaces to protect against UV damage and add a subtle shine. Step 8. Final touches. Reassemble the car, ensuring everything is in its place, and give it a final once-over to ensure perfection. By following the steps outlined above and selecting the right products for your needs, you can maintain a clean and inviting environment inside your vehicle.